Welcome to BANDELIN, the manufacturer of high-performance ultrasonic devices made in Germany. Since 3 generations, we develop, produce and market ultrasonic equipment, suitable accessories and special cleaning agents and disinfectants for use in industry, medicine and laboratories. Our comprehensive product range covers not only equipment and matching accessories from small to large, but also useful peripheral equipment and customized devices. We are constantly developing our products and their applications. This makes us the market leader and allows us to set norms and standards for ultrasonic applications in various committees. Until today, 79 game-changing patents have been implemented in our products, reflecting our outstanding innovative strength in development and design. The entire manufacturing process, from the raw material to the ready-to-use equipment, takes place at our facility in Berlin. Our highly skilled staff, combined with state-of-the-art machinery, make our production processes efficient and economical. The processing of the wide variety of materials with special machines and tools ensures the highest precision and versatility of the produced components. % of our 100+ employees manufacture over 10,000 devices a year. New technologies and optimized processes enable us to manufacture up to 2,500 different product types. Regular staff training and continuous monitoring and optimization of our machinery, processes and materials ensure the continuity and quality of our products. We combine almost all work steps under one roof, which means our employees work together closely as a team and can communicate easily. Thanks to our extensive network, efficient logistics and reliable partners, our equipment and accessories are available almost anywhere in the world. If you have any questions about the equipment, individual applications, accessories or repair and spare parts, we will be happy to answer them personally. In the interests of sustainability and value retention, we offer a comprehensive service and guarantee to provide spare parts for at least 10 years. Our high vertical range of manufacture and the certified quality management system make our products highly reliable and durable. We monitor the effectiveness of our cleaning agents and disinfectants through regular internal cleaning tests. To ensure high quality and competence at all times, we not only provide continuous training for our staff, but we also offer individual user training courses, including professional tips for an optimal use of the devices. BANDELIN high-performance ultrasonic units, thorough and reliable.